Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how to create partition using Windows 10. First of all, welcome to our YouTube channel Knowledge Unfolded. If you like this video and learn something from it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video. So without wasting time, let's start the process. In most of the cases, all the new computer come with only one partition. As you can see, in my case I have a partition of 475 gigabytes, out of which 400 gigabyte is free. From this space I can easily make one more partition. So let's start the process. If you go to the lower left hand side of your screen, you will see a start button. Click on start and type File Explorer. It will open a search window. On the top of it, you will see a File Explorer icon. Click on it. It will open a window like this, or alternatively, you can open this by pressing Window button and E on your keyboard. It will open the same window. Here, you have to go to the left hand side and right click on this PC. And then choose Manage. It will open a computer management window as you can see on the screen. Here under the storage section you will find disk management. Click on it. It will open the details of disk in your computer. As you can see, in my case I have three partitions. The first partition and the last partition is reserved by system. If you try to click on these, you will see no option is available. In the middle, it is the biggest partition from which we have to create another partition. Right click on it and choose shrink volume. This process will take time depending upon the speed of your computer. After it is finished, you will see a window shrink C. Here you will find total size before shrink in megabyte. And the next is size of available shrink space in megabyte. All the sizes here are in megabyte. In this you have to enter the amount you want to create the partition. For example, we will make a partition of 300 gigabytes. As you know, 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. We will multiply this by 300. It will come with a value like this. We will put this value in the column amount of space to shrink in megabytes and press shrink. This process will take some time depending upon the speed of your computer. As you can see now, a 300 gigabyte of unallocated space is there. To use this space, we have to right click here and select New Simple Volume. It will open a new simple wizard window. Click Next. In the next window, just press Next. In the next window, you can choose a letter from A to Z. For example, we will say V. Press Next. In the next window, you can choose from the file system and the volume label. We will label this as Knowledge Unfolded, which is also name of our YouTube channel. Press Next here. After you will press Next, the next window will be completing the new simple volume wizard. Just press Finish. Now our new partition has been successfully created. We will check this by going into this PC. To verify this, we will go to this PC, and here you can see our newly created partition is ready to use. One point you will notice that this newly created partition is not of exactly 300 gigabytes as we have created. This is because if you go to the properties, you will see some of the space has been reserved by the system. If at a later point you want to create another partition from this partition, you have to repeat the process. Just go to this PC, right click and choose Manage. Again go to the disk management. Now you will see this newly created partition is there. Right click on this and choose shrink volume. Now you can see this much amount of space is available to shrink. We will shrink the half, so we have almost 2 partitions of same size, and press shrink. And now you will see one extra partition of unallocated space is there. Click on it and repeat the process. New simple volume. It will again open a window like this. Press next. In the next window, press next. Here you can choose the letter from A to Z again, any letter. Press next. Here you can give a new volume name, say data. Press next and press finish. Now you can see now there are 2 newly created partitions. These partitions are ready to use. If at a later point you don't want these 2 partitions and instead you want to merge it into one, I will explain you the process. Go to this PC, click manage. Again disk management. In the disk details window, now you will see there are 2 extra partitions. Suppose we want to merge this partition into this. To do this, we will right click on it and press delete volume. It will say it will delete all the data. So before this you have to back up your data. Now it became again unallocated space. To the other partition which you want to extend, click on it, say extend volume, press next. Here you can see the amount of space it will be extended with. Press next and press finish. Again your drive is ready to use. Thank you for watching our video. If you want more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.